made it. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Riza, that girl all together, R-A-I-Z-A, Riza. Today I'm gonna try and attempt a halo eye, and I'm gonna be using the Norvina palette. This is from Anastasia ABH, okay, Anastasia Beverly Hill. This is the Norvina palette. Norvina es la hija de Anastasia. Anastasia es la que tiene the whole brand. So I guess they work hand in hand in this. Si ven algo aquí como de luces, es un espejo que tengo para hacerme el maquillaje que tiene luces. Y como que no tengo un set de luces. So I'm trying. Voy poco a poco. Ahora, yo tengo otra paleta de HBH. Yo tengo Modern Renaissance. Si lo estoy pronunciando bien, Modern Renaissance. Ok, y esa paleta, espérate un momento. Okay. So this is like their aesthetic for eyeshadow. Now, I really wanted the Norvina palette because of the purple, because it has like a periwinkle shade, which would be so, se cayó la brocha. Viene con una brochita. Anyways, see that color? Now, but this color is much darker in person than what it seemed on social media, and that was kind of like, but whatever. So voy a utilizar esta paleta hoy para hacer un halo kind of look. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna prime my lids with my concealer, and I've been using the Wet n Wild concealer. It has a matte finish. That is actually what I use to clean up my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I use my MAC's Spike pencil, this one right here. You can kind of let that dry on its own, or you can set it with a shade that's similar to your skin color, and this shade is called Incienso. I'm gonna take now some of this orange shade. This is called Eccentric, and I'm just gonna blend that right over Incense, because this turned out to be darker than what I expected. Alright, so this is kind of how it's looking. It's a little messy, I'm not gonna lie. What I'm noticing from this palette compared to other palettes, the layout of this palette is all shimmer at the top and all mattes at the bottom. So I kind of almost feel like you're supposed to wear this palette, like, I mean, you can always mix and match, but I almost feel like you're supposed to wear this palette like in kind of like duos, you know what I mean? Like all of these shades almost, yeah, even base, like all of these shades feel like they all fit for the crease. So either of these shades will go over your crease, and then the shimmery shade would go on your lid, and then stamp on a wing eyeliner. Classic look, classic baddie look. Everybody's doing it, everybody look the same, everybody can do it in 1, 2, 3 step, you know what I mean? So that's what it kind of almost feels to me. None of these shadows I feel they're gonna be dark enough for me to create that depth that I need for my halo eye, because I have very big eyelid, so I can like really use different shade of colors and like step by size of brush go down and, you know, create that gradients. If you know, if I'm explaining, si me estoy explicando bien. But I'm gonna try this color here with a 221 brush. It's a smaller brush from MAC, and I'm just gonna intensify my outer corner and my inner corner to kind of create that halo shape, hopefully, and then we're gonna dip into some of these shimmers and clean up the eye, and let's see how this look turns out. And here, guys, I already have some foundation on. I did the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I haven't set it. I haven't added my concealer yet. Sometimes my makeup routine, it goes in many directions. I don't have a particular routine. It kind of goes by my mood and the look that I'm trying to achieve. So it's looking a little crazy right now. I do need to make it darker in the corner, so I'm gonna go ahead and reach for my Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the Naked 2 actually, and the last shade is called Blackout. It's a really nice, smooth, blendable black shade. The shade I'm using from the Wet n Wild concealer is Medium Peach, because that peach color, ese color peach, is gonna correct my blue and my purple undertones de mi ojera. And then I also go in and mix a little bit with light medium in some areas. I'm gonna blend that out with my favorite sponge. This is the Real Technique sponge. I love this sponge. I am buying it in all the shapes and sizes I can find. And now setting my face just a little bit, mainly the center of my face, with my MAC Studio Fix powder plus foundation. Next here, I'm going in my waterline with a ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Prance. This is like a baby blue or like a periwinkle kind of blue. And I'm going in with that Soul shade for my lower lash line, like my whole lower lash line, okay? Okay, and here's when I start going ham with the shimmer eyeshadows. I am applying them with my finger. I start with the pink one, which is called Wild Child. And I go back and forth en los detallitos to kind of like get my look where I want it. I wasn't quite feeling my eye look until here yet, at all. So in doubt, smoke it out. So go back and forth with the dark shades, a little bit of black, maybe the leftover black that's on your brush. I kept playing with the different color of the shimmer eyeshadows, and I started fading them upward, difuminando ese brillo hacia arriba, and that would kind of really make me start to kind of like feel the look, you know. Ahí es cuando me empecé a sentir como que, okay, this is gonna be a look. Here I'm fixing my edges. Cojo un chispito de ese concealer y limpio esa línea. Que quede perfecta, pero no tan perfecta where it's obvious. So then I go back in with my blending brush and get that nice and blended. You want it to be clean, but not like a stamp of concealer on your edge. I don't like that. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner with Dreamer. This is a beautiful highlight shade. I love this shade. And retouch my eyeliner, of course. Lo pueden ver. Here I have another sponge from Real Techniques. I'm using this for my cream products from my palette. This shape is supposed to be for highlight and contour, but I'm gonna blush and highlight instead with this with this sponge. Y pues Si se asustan un poquito a la intensidad de mi blush, it's okay. Y'all can be scared. You know, antes yo no usaba blush. Now, I overdo it. La loca. Mind you, I did not have any kind of like particular vision of my makeup except for trying a halo. So the blush to the temples, this is in the creative mood of it. And usually when I use this palette, I go for that look because it's kind of meant for that look and because that's the look. And next here with a big powder brush, with no powder at first, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all of that out and kind of take, tú sabes, bajarle dos, call it veiling like they say. Then I take a little bit of my powder again in the areas I need, mostly the center of my face. And then to brighten underneath the eye, a lo Kim Kardashian, I'm gonna take my brightening powder, and this is number 2 with a smaller Real Techniques brush, and just gonna hit that really close underneath my eye. Then I take my blending brush and some of my crease colors and kind of like feather it in and extend it and kind of get that shape again where kind of like my highlighter overpowered, okay? Applying my mascara. This is Le Volume de Chanel. And girls, when you don't use false lashes, you want to really work out your real lashes. Así que apliquen varias capas de mascara. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. My eyes are a little bit watery, but mind you, I kind of actually turned out doing a more of a like a messy kind of halo eye. My eyelids do have a fold, which is, it doesn't look cute with cut creases, okay? For my cheeks, since they are pretty like beaming and pinky and blushy and you know, see, and highlight is popping. I used the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. I really love and cherish this palette. I like it a lot. I used a sponge to apply the cream products, and then for the powder products, I use her official brush that was launched with this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna do a Strip Down by MAC with Blankety. Blankety is one of my favorite lipstick. Okay, so setting spray. I do a lot of setting spray. I fan myself out. I do more setting spray and then I fan out. I fan myself out some more. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Remember, makeup is about fun. You know, I know there's a lot of trends online with specific makeup looks, but have fun, feel yourself, do what works for you, what works for your eye, what works for your face. I didn't even contour today and look, I still feel good. So comment, like, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube is gonna be that girl Raiza, R-A-I-Z-A, Raiza, and los veo en la próxima, mi gente. Chequeamos.